In this video, I will show you how to make a cream soda using Nomad Sculpt. The environment is set to this photo and the exposure is set a bit high. Delete the sphere. Add a tube from the scene menu. Enable the grid and switch to the front view. Shape it into the form of a glass. Tap Radius so you can change the radius at all editing points. Once you have the shape, set the X division value in the edit bar to 32. Tap Cap twice to keep the bottom capped and the top uncapped. Tap Validate. Tap Move. Switch to the top view. Enable wireframe. Tap a mirror on the left bar. Set the radial Y value to 8. Pull the rim of the glass to make a flower-like shape. Tap Mask. Mask only the tips of the glass. Invert the mask. Use the gizmo to lower the tips slightly. Clear the mask. Let's add thickness to the glass. Mask the whole object using the rectangle option in Cell Mask. Tap Cell Mask on the upper right bar. Adjust the thickness and tap Extract. Now we have a glass with thickness. Hide the original tube object from the scene menu. Tap the object extracted with Cell Mask. Tap the fourth icon from the left on the upper left bar. Tap Multi-Resolution. Subdivide it about 3 times. Tap Wireframe to turn it off. The glass shape is ready. Create a pattern using the Crease tool. Adjust the crease intensity on the left bar. Add your favorite pattern. Tap Mirror and turn off the X mirror. Add some slightly swirling lines. Define the narrow part of the glass more clearly. Subdivide it again in Multi-Resolution. Tap Material on the upper left bar. Change it to Refraction. Set the reflectance to 0. Set the index of refraction, or IOR, to around 1. Let's add color. Set the metallic value to around 1 and use Paint All to color it. The glass is now complete. Now let's make the drink inside. Add a tube from the scene menu and shape it to fit inside the glass. Apply your favorite color. Next, let's make the ice cream. Add a sphere from the Add menu and tap Validate. Adjust its size and position using the gizmo. Color the ice cream. Increase the roughness value and paint it. Tap Clay and then tap Sub. Set the radial Y of the mirror to around 8. Add some bumps and texture to the ice cream. Let's make a cherry. Add a sphere from the scene menu. Make the stem using a tube. Tap curve and adjust the radius. Validate. The cream soda is now finished. Let's upgrade the quality of the cream soda even more. Choose your preferred environment. In this video, I will use the default photo. Tap the camera icon. Enable post-process. Ambient occlusion allows you to change the color and intensity of shadows. I highly recommend ACEs in tone mapping, as it creates a beautiful nostalgic vibe. Curvature defines the outlines of the object clearly. Sharp makes the object look crisper. You can also use pixel art to give it a look like a retro game screen. Nomad Sculpt is an app that makes 3D modeling incredibly easy. Please try out various tutorials. I create videos to help support your fun creative activities, so please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.